Hello everyone. This is CA Minds, Easy CA Coaching. Today we are going to learn about bank reconciliation statement. So, the people who are seeing our channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting updates, and please have a look on the links given below in the description. So, let us jump into the topic now. Well, banks have been an essential part of the modern society. Big business houses also prefer bank transactions since they are safer than cash transactions. So they like the idea of dealing through bank on regular basis, which would be the better and safer when compared to a cash transaction. So in order to make such transactions through the bank, they have to maintain two books, that is cash book and passbook. Cash book is where all the receipts and payments are recorded which are related to cash transactions. So, when coming to the passbook, a passbook is a copy of the customer's account. In the book of the bank either sends the periodical statements of account, like periodical statements are like any transaction entered by the customer. On such regard, the bank sends such statements called as periodical statements, or a passbook to its customer where deposits and withdrawals are recorded during the particular period. Thus, this is the bank's way of keeping the customer informed about the entries made in his account. It is the customer's duty to check the entries and inform the bank if there is an error or any timing difference when it comes to his notice. So, this is the main theme of the cash book and passbook. A passbook is also called as the bank statement. The cash book, as we know, is of debit balance, or such debit balance is called as favorable balance. When come to the passbook, it is of credit balance or favorable balance in case of passbook. Well, this is the main theme of bank passbook and cash book along bank column. So, in the last point, we have discussed that it's the customer's duty to check the entries and should intimate the bank about any error. So, what do you mean like by error? Sometimes when the customer of the bank enters any transaction He may enter in the cash book which is with him, but forgets to intimate the same to the bank. Such type of situation is called as an error in the balances. So there are not only this reason is valid, there are lot many reasons in the case where the cash book balance and passbook balance does not match. So to find out the causes of difference between the cash book and passbook, we need to reconcile the two books. Reconcile means to find out. When the word is joined with the word bank, it would become bank reconciliation statement. The meaning would be the process of eliminating the difference and bringing the two statements in the same line, then it is called as reconciliation. But when do you say it is a bank reconciliation statement? When the statement reconciles or compares the bank balance as per cash book with the balance as per passbook, then it is known as bank reconciliation statement. So, what is the importance of bank reconciliation statement? It helps as an important tool in controlling the cash flows, find out any error or delay in such balances, it helps us to find out is there any sham or fraud, and and helps us to find out the actual position of cash balance. So these are the super merits of BRS. So we have already discussed that due to causes of difference we have to make a bank reconciliation statement. Now we are going to know about what are the causes of difference. Well, the first cause of difference is timing. As we have discussed earlier that when a person makes an other transaction with another person, he may record in the cash book, but he may forget or he may later intimate to the bank. Then such gap in informing the transaction is known as timing. Well, the second cause of difference is transactions. Even bank on our behalf makes some transactions without intimating to the customer. So, this is the second cause of difference. For example, an interest received on savings bank account, it will be credited by the bank immediately, but the entry in the cash book will be made only when the customer comes to know about it, which is usually at a later stage. So, this is the cause of difference when it comes to the transactions. The third type of cause of difference is errors. When there is an error in totaling of the cash balance or the bank balance, then the books may disagree about the correct amount. Such errors may be checks issued but not yet presented for payment, checks paid into bank but not yet cleared, interest allowed by the bank, and bank charges and taxation levied by the government. There are many such types of errors. So, in the next class, we are going to know about what are the items which cause the difference. Well, this is the introduction of BRS. In the next video, we are going to cover items which causes the difference in the balance of cash book and passbook. Hope you like my video, guys. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting updates. And click on the bell icon to receive every notification on our latest updates and videos. Thank you.